Manchester is a city of innovation, including inventions in science, architecture, politics and industry. It's also the leading city of social reform, football and music. Manchester has lots of street art and is a popular sets location for TV shows and Hollywood movies. Manchester is one of the most interesting cities in the world because of its rich history dating back to the Romans, through to the Industrial Revolution, right up to our present day status as the most multilingual city in the world. I was born and bred in Manchester, where we are known as Mancunians, so I know the city like the back of my hand. I can show you all the hidden parts of Manchester, as well as sharing incredible stories that you can't find online or in guidebooks. The tour is aimed at anyone who likes passionate storytelling, a bit of humour, discovering hidden gems, and of course, those who enjoy a good walk. I can't wait to show you around Manchester, and I look forward to meeting you.